In my humble opinion, overcoming objections is like a last-ditch effort to make sales. And if you do the sales process right, with questioning in the right framework, then you won't ever have to handle objections. But every once in a while, you're going to get those questions. If you're not practicing handling objections, then when somebody asks you a question, you're going to get all flustered and you're like, oh, I don't know what to say. And that is not giving confidence in your ability to sell to that prospect. And here's a simple framework for handling any objection that comes up. Number one, you want to acknowledge that you heard the objection. Sometimes it sounds like you're agreeing with the objection, but it really isn't. And you might say something like, oh, I totally understand where you're coming from. You want to make sure that that prospect is heard and understood. The second thing is that you need to question the objection. And a simple framework of doing that is just repeat back in the form of a question what that prospect asked you. It's like, oh, so you need time to think about it. Third is make sure that you're blowing that objection out of the water. And then the fourth is make sure that you are asking for the sale again. That's a very simple 4-step process to handling any objection that comes up and making sure that you're making every effort to make that sale and help that prospect out.